Hey everybody, I'm Jimmy the Bearded Biker, and today I'm going to talk to you about continuous power on the Pan America. Stick around and find out what that's about.
Whether coming or going, Moto Nation, USA, always on the road.
Alright, continuous power on the Pan America. So I wanted to put the GoPro on the Pan America and maybe do a time-lapse video. Sometimes I ride for longer periods of times, 8, 10, 12 hours. I've done a trip on the bike, 21 hours, down to the Three Sisters and back. You can check on that link below. But I wanted to put a time-lapse video on it. I needed continuous power to the GoPro. Well, the Pan America doesn't have a continuous power option. I'm going to show you how I solved that and my test video. Stick around, watch the video. Have a good time. Jimmy the Bearded Biker, and I hope to see you on the road. If you're interested, I will show you real quick how I came up with this continuous power supply. First, we're going to remove the seat. If you have a Pan America, you know all about removing the seat. So I took this heated gear plug right here, and I plugged in this heated gear plug to a SAE, which is also like your battery tender plug, but the polarity is wrong. So on the USB charger, I cut the wires, resoldered them. This is not on the bike itself because I didn't want to cut and solder and cut into power or anything like that. So this gives me two 3.5 amp USB, and I'm putting it right down here. So now I have power from one of my heated gear plugs that I will not be using, not riding two up. So if I do have my heated gear on, I can use the other one. I won't be using both at the same time. So that's a way for me to get some continuous USB power to power various devices, maybe my headset. And it's easy to take off the bike too. And I've installed continuous power on the new Pan America Special, and I've hooked it up to my GoPro, and I'm going to show you that setup right here. So here's my GoPro on the front of the bike. You can see it mounted there to the crash guard, and I've got this accessory side door that you can put power in. That's a continuous power USB-C there that I've attached. We're going to turn it on real quick. So it's on at the moment. We're going to see how much battery life it's got. It shows it has 76. I'm not sure if you can see that. I'm filming that GoPro there. 75%. And I'm going to take it for a ride, and I'm going to see how this charging setup that I've got works. So I can take videos on longer rides. And I'll be back with those results. So I had a couple of false starts before I got over there to where my initial starting spot was. The GoPro got down to around 65% or so, and I made my lap, and now it is at 70%, you can see. So the continuous power supply is working well on it. I'll keep that.